Welcome to Central Washington University. As Central's 15th president, it is my pleasure to introduce you to all that our institution has to offer. Founded in 1891, the mission of CWU is to educate and prepare students for productive careers and to help them become engaged, enlightened, and responsible citizens. CWU is known for its welcoming culture where everyone cares deeply for each other. We have a saying here, "You belong," and it's how we truly feel about our students, our faculty, and our staff. We seek to have an environment that values diversity and inclusion and recognizes that when we work and learn together, we are stronger. One of the ways in which Central Washington University is special is our emphasis on engaged learning, taking what students learn in the classroom and applying it to real-world settings, solving real-world problems. As a result, our students are actively engaged in research, creative expression, internships, and service learning. Our award-winning faculty guide students throughout their journey, helping them find out who they are, what they're passionate about, and then getting really good at it so that they can meet their academic and professional goals. We are also committed to providing access to the very highest quality of education at Central Washington University. About 40% of our students are first-generation college students, and many of our students are non-traditional students who may not be able to come to campus to advance their careers. We believe in providing educational opportunities to as many qualified students as possible, and that restrictions of place and time and finances can be overcome through the effective use of technology and our partnerships with community colleges. I invite you to explore what Central has to offer. Go Wildcats!